On today's video, we're going to review these absolutely beautiful marble placemats. They're 12 by 18 inches and can hold food up to 240 degrees. They're available in many different color options and they are very, very easy to clean. Stay tuned for the whole video. Today we have the Simpletome marble placemats. We just got a brand new marble dining room table, and unfortunately I did not know that they're not really that scratch resistant. So because of that, we needed to get some marble matching placemats. All right, so here they are. Now I needed something that really matched marble table, so this is the closest one. Now these obviously are a little brighter because there is no sealant applied over these mats. Now these are made of fake leather, and then PU material on the back. The stitching is right at the very back here, so you also see it over here. Okay, very easy to wipe. I'm just going to demonstrate right now. Just take a wet rag and then just wipe it, and it should come off quite easily. But you can see that the spills come out quite easily. Now it is also heat resistant up to 240 degrees. All these placemats are usually, and the thickness is quite nice. It's not very, very thin. It's not flimsy. Of course, the back also is PU, which means it's not going to scratch any surface underneath. So let's go and see what this actually looks like on a marble table. So there are your place mats with your very basic plates. So that's the video. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.